about the last time you or a loved one went to the doctor for a routine checkup. You probably got your blood pressure checked, maybe stepped on the scale, and had some standard blood work done to check your cholesterol or blood sugar. It's a normal, everyday routine. But what if that exact same routine, just a single ordinary vial of blood, could tell you if you had cancer lurking anywhere in your body, years before you ever felt a single symptom? For decades, the biggest tragedy of cancer has been the clock. By the time someone feels sick enough to go to the doctor, the disease has often already progressed to a later stage, making it incredibly difficult to treat. But right now, large-scale clinical trials are proving that medicine is about to completely flip the script. We are entering the era of the liquid biopsy, a single blood test that can detect over 50 different types of cancer at the exact same time. Right now, the way we screen for cancer is entirely fragmented. We use mammograms for breast cancer, colonoscopies for colon cancer, and low-dose CT scans for lung cancer. But here's the scary part. There are no standard routine screening tests for the vast majority of cancers, like pancreatic, liver, or ovarian cancers. These cancers are often called silent because they hide until it's almost too late. So how can a single drop of blood change that? It comes down to a fascinating biological fact. Every day, billions of your cells in your body naturally die and are replaced. When a cell dies, it breaks apart and releases tiny fragments of its DNA directly into your bloodstream. Scientists call this cell-free DNA. Now here's the breakthrough. Cancer cells do the exact same thing. As a tumor begins to form, even when it's microscopic, it sheds its own mutated, damaged DNA into your blood, floating right alongside your healthy cells. To catch this, scientists aren't just looking for the cancer cells themselves. They are looking for the chemical signatures left on that floating DNA. Think of it like a barcode scanner at the grocery store. Healthy cells have one specific pattern of chemical tags on their DNA. Cancer cells have a completely different chaotic pattern. Using advanced genetic sequencing and artificial intelligence, these new blood tests can scan millions of DNA fragments in a single blood sample. The AI is trained to spot those specific cancer barcodes, but it gets even better. Not only can the test see if there is cancer DNA, but it can also analyze the specific chemical pattern to pinpoint exactly where it came from in the body, telling the doctor, hey, look at the lungs, or check the pancreas, with incredible accuracy. So what does this actually mean for humanity? It means we are moving from a world of reactive medicine, where we wait for someone to get sick and then fight the disease, to a world of preventative medicine. Imagine catching pancreatic cancer at stage 1, when it's just a tiny cluster of cells, rather than stage 4. The survival rates for many of these aggressive diseases skyrocket by 5 to 10 times when they are caught early. These tests are already being integrated into massive healthcare systems and clinical trials around the world. It's no longer a matter of if this technology becomes standard. It's a matter of when it becomes part of your annual physical. Science is quietly solving some of our biggest human struggles in the background every single day. And this is just the beginning. If you want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs changing our health and our future in a way that actually makes sense, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, would you take an annual blood test like this? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.